Sobrang favorite ko to, Bello Kojic Body Cream. Ang sarap niya sa skin, very light, tapos non-sticky, tapos ang sarap ng scent. Kung bakit ko rin ito ginagamit dahil effective talaga siya. I-combine mo yung Bello Kojic soap, tapos yung face cream, itong body cream, makikita mo talaga yung difference. Yung sabi nga nila, uy, Sarah, ganda naman ang skin mo. Kaya sabi ko talaga, Bello lang yan.
If you're looking for me, you can catch me. Cameras flashing, Betty turn his head just as soon as I pass him. Girls think I'm conceited 'cause I know I'm attractive.
Thank you very much for always supporting Bello Kojic line. Aside po sa favorite kong Bello Kojic soap, gamitin nyo din sana ang Bello Kojic Body Cream. It's not your ordinary lotion. It's intense whitening that feels like a dream. Have a Bello beautiful day!